Separation anxiety, commonly referred to as sepanx, is a common issue that many pets, particularly dogs, face when they are separated from their owners. It's distressing for both the pet and the owner, but with patience, understanding, and the right strategies, you can help your pet cope and reduce their anxiety. Here's how you can support your pet through their separation anxiety. What is separation anxiety sepanx in pets? Separation anxiety occurs when a pet, particularly a dog or cat, feels intense distress when left alone or separated from their primary caregiver. This anxiety may manifest in various ways, including barking, whining, destructive behavior, accidents inside the house, and even physical symptoms like drooling or vomiting. While separation anxiety is often most apparent when a pet is left alone for the first time, or after a significant change in routine, it can also be triggered by situations, such as the absence of a specific person or a change in living arrangements. Signs of separation anxiety in pets. If your pet is suffering from separation anxiety, you may notice the following signs: excessive vocalization, barking, crying, howling, destructive behavior, chewing furniture, scratching doors, pacing, and restlessness before you leave, accidents inside the house, urinating, or defecating, drooling, or vomiting, attempts to escape from their environment when left alone, refusal to eat or showing, disinterest in food, clingy behavior when you are home, following you from room to room. How to help your pet with separation anxiety sepanx. Establish a consistent routine. Pets, especially dogs, thrive on routine. Knowing when they'll be fed, when walks happen, and when playtime is scheduled creates stability. Keeping a consistent routine, particularly around departure and arrival times, helps your pet feel secure. Gradually, your pet will start to associate your leaving and coming home with a calm, predictable routine. Tips: try to leave at different times throughout the day to avoid reinforcing the anxiety. Ensure that feeding, playtime, and walks occur regularly and on a consistent schedule. Gradual desensitization. Gradual desensitization involves slowly getting your pet used to the idea of being alone for short periods without causing undue stress. Start by leaving for a few minutes at a time and gradually increase the duration. This technique helps to reduce the pet's anxiety over time by showing them that your departure is not a big deal. Tips: begin by leaving your pet in one room while you move to another, and then gradually increase the distance and time you're apart. Use calm, reassuring actions before leaving and returning home, like avoiding over-the-top goodbyes or greetings. Create a safe space. Make sure your pet has a comfortable, safe space where they can retreat when they're feeling anxious. For dogs, this might be their crate or a designated quiet zone with their bed, toys, and water. Cats might prefer a cozy corner or a high perch where they feel secure. Tips: keep your pet's safe space quiet and free from disturbances. Place familiar items like your pet's favorite blanket, toy, or your clothing with your scent in their safe space. Provide mental and physical stimulation. A mentally stimulated pet is less likely to feel bored and anxious. Regular exercise and play can help reduce the symptoms of separation anxiety. Ensure your pet has enough activities to keep them busy when you're gone, whether it's through toys, puzzles, or interactive feeders. Tips: take your dog for a walk or play fetch before you leave. This will help tire them out. Provide puzzle toys or treat dispensing toys for your pet to work on when you're gone. This helps keep their mind occupied. Avoid punishment for anxiety-driven behavior. It's important not to punish your pet for behaviors driven by separation anxiety, such as chewing, barking, or having accidents. Punishment can increase their stress and make the situation worse. Instead, focus on reinforcing positive behavior with treats, praise, and rewards when they stay calm. Tips: when you return home, greet your pet calmly and avoid excitement. Over-the-top reactions can make their anxiety worse. Reward calm behavior with treats or affection when they are able to relax on their own. Use positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is key to helping your pet feel more secure during separations. Reward your pet when they show signs of calm behavior, such as resting quietly or playing independently. Reinforcing calm behavior will teach your pet that being alone doesn't mean something bad will happen. Tips: praise and reward your pet for being calm when you leave or return. Offer treats or affection when they relax in their safe space, helping them associate calmness with positive outcomes. Try a pet calming aid. There are a variety of calming aids available that can help reduce anxiety. In pets, these include natural remedies like pheromone diffusers, e.g., Adaptol for dogs or Feel Away for cats, calming collars, and certain herbal supplements. Some pets may also benefit from anxiety-reducing products like weighted blankets. Tips: consult your vet before introducing any calming products or supplements to ensure they are safe for your pet. Consider using a pheromone diffuser in the room where your pet spends the most time to promote a sense of calm. Seek professional help if necessary if your pet's separation anxiety persists or worsens. It may be necessary to seek help from a veterinarian or a professional pet behaviorist. In some cases, medication may be recommended to help manage anxiety while you work on behavior modification. Techniques. Tips. A vet can help rule out any underlying medical conditions contributing to the anxiety. A professional behaviorist can help you develop a more tailored plan for managing your pet's separation anxiety. Separation anxiety can be tough on both you and your pet, but with patience and consistency, you can help your pet feel more comfortable being alone. By establishing routines, providing mental stimulation, and using calming techniques, you can ease their anxiety and help them feel more secure. Remember, every pet is unique, so it may take some trial and error to find the right approach. If the anxiety persists, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional for additional support. Your pet's well-being is worth the effort, and together you can work towards a calmer, happier future.